quarter note ride pattern and offbeat ride. Chapter 5 of Drum Set Simplified starts on page 47. There's a lot of practice hints on that page. I invite you to look at it. The main thing I try to convey in this chapter is a conservation of stroke that aligns with our counting. So when I have to play straight quarter notes on the beat, I'm thinking down, up, down, up, down, up. Downstrokes, but not in an ugly way. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I'm just squeezing the stick to stop it from bouncing too high. Because I find with beginning drummers, if we get this tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock motion going in our right hand, it helps align all the other rhythmic placement of the other limbs. So, on page 48, I would ask you to play number 1 and 9 like this, using either on the bell or on the ride cymbal. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, number 1 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You don't have to play on the bell, it's a little loud. Number 9, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I know it looks a little robotic, a little stiff, but I really think it does help in the beginning of drum set studies. And it can be loose. I may be looking a little tight because I'm trying to accentuate the up and the down. You can also play these quarter note patterns on the hi-hat. Just don't lift your foot, ignore the foot indication on the pages. So number 1 on page 48 would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Number 9, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And again, why the down, up, down, up? Because there's a lot of space between each quarter note depending on the tempo. Now, if we were to play these fast, then it would not be a tick-tock, down, up. It would probably be full rebound strokes, like. But for slower tempos, I really like the down, up, down, up. Let's take a look at page 49, number 1. Goes like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Number 9, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Just on the hi-hat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's turn to page 51. We're going to look at numbers 1 and 9. Here's where the tick-tock can really help, because the bass drum part plays on the E and the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Number 9, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Faster on the hi-hat, so it'd be more like full strokes instead of tick-tock, tick-tock. Number 9 on page 51. Page 52, we start doing offbeats. So instead of on the beat, down, up, 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now it's going to be up on the numbers. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So number 1 on page 52. 1 and 2 and number 9. 1 and 2 and take note that I'm keeping my forearm kind of in one spot. I'm not playing a big arena. I'm not trying to show off and be uber visual about things. I'm keeping my motions very compact so I can concentrate on putting the notes where they belong. And don't forget to do the offbeat stuff also on the hi-hat. That's number one, or number one faster. That's where it becomes a full stroke. So good luck with this chapter.